In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Bluebeam. So first, of course, you need to have the Bluebeam software downloaded on your PC. And to do that, go to your Google search bar and type in these words, download Bluebeam. And from the search results, click on the link from Bluebeam Download Center. Then next is look for the software called Bluebeam Revu and download it on your desktop. Once the desktop software is downloaded, open up your PDF file. Then next is you can directly click on the text box tool in the right menu and drag it inside your PDF file in any area. And here you can see that a text can be added. So simply add in your text. And to change how it looks, right click on the text and click on Properties to open the Properties panel. Here you can adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. If you want to change the color of the text, simply highlight the text and click on the color button and change it to your preferred color. This adds this border color background for your text. And if you want to change the inner color of the text, simply click on Fill Color and add in the color you want for the text background. Now, if you want the color change for the text itself, simply highlight the text and click on this color button at the top. And here, change the font color to your desired color. You can change also its font style simply by highlighting the text and choose your desired font, and also the style such as alignment, if it's bold, italic, or underline. You can also change the line spacing and margin. Once you open up the properties panel, you can basically change everything you want for the text. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!